Hey guys, BigT Trades here. This is day 5, which is the last day of this trading challenge, and our account balance is now £1,037. Hopefully we get some good setups. Let's get straight into the video. And now we're on the live charts. The clock is 6:30 New York time, and I've drawn some interest points. I'm looking for price to head to, and then I'll look for some moves after that. So until then, I'll just be patient and wait for the correct setup, and then I'll update you once I'm in or I see something. I'll also be heading out for like 1 to 2 hours now, so if I see something, I'll enter on my phone and I'll explain what I did when I come back. Now I'm back on the charts. It's like 2.5 hours later, and the New York session opens in 37 minutes, and we have seen a lot of movement to the upside. On these three pairs, we're trading against the Japanese yen, so I'll look for a possible short if we see a market structure shift on the smaller time frames, and a perfect entry like a fair value gap or order block, or the Fibonacci retracement in where we can sell in a premium. So I'll update you once I see something and if we get a good entry. I think I might be looking for a short on the USD JPY because we have seen now that all the buy side liquidity have been taken out on the US dollar. We have taken out all of these highs, and we went right through this order block here, and all of the liquidity is now taken out. So I think if we see a market structure shift on the lower time frames right here, then it will go shorter, and that will correlate with this. So I think if we see a turn here on the lower time frames on the USD JPY, then I'll be looking for a short. And even though we are seeing some weakness on the US dollar, we are not seeing the same weakness on the USD JPY, and that's probably because the Japanese yen is very weak today. As we can see these two pairs here, they keep going up, so I don't think the trade is valid. I'll update you if I see something, but I'll forget this trade. I think we could be looking for a long on the GBP USD because we are now seeing that we took out this low right there. It's easier if you go to the 1 minute. We took out this low, this low, this low, and everything with this move down here. So now we are looking to go up. We can also see that the dollar might go down, so that is a good indication. So if we could enter from this fair value gap right here, that would be the ideal situation, but I'll update you once I'm in or if I see something else. And I just took my first entry. I took it right below the 0.5 mark where we were in a discount right there. I hit just a wick like this, I think. So I'm filled on one of my, and I've also put a trade down when we hit the fair value gap down here. So I'm longing twice, but only if we go down to this area again. I'll put it up on the screen so you can follow along. So let's hope that the Great British Pound goes up while the dollar goes down. So let's see. Now both of our orders are filled. Yeah, let's see if we can go up from here or we'll go down and take out these lows again and get stopped out. I'll update you once something happens. Oh, even though we were close to get taken out, our trade now looks quite solid in my opinion. We can see that the dollar did as I predicted. We went down from here, and let's hope that the dollar keeps dropping so the GBP USD will keep going up. And we just hit our first profit target right here, which was our TP1, and our TP2 will be around this area. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see we won around 13.5 British pounds. So yeah, it looks quite solid, and the dollar looks a bit choppy right now. I think it will go down, but it could also go up. It could also look like the gold is going down to this 4-hour fair value gap right here, and if we do, then I'll be looking for a long, so I'll update you if I see something there. And now we hit our last take profit level, and we made 27 pounds on this trade. I'm very glad. It was a good trade. And as you can see, my prediction with the US dollar and Japanese yen actually would have gone home, but you can always say that afterwards. But it's quite sad I didn't get in, but it is what it is. So I think I will be calling it here for today because I also have to go out now for the rest of the night. So let's go to the spreadsheet and end this series. So now I would like to round off this series. I hope you enjoyed it and followed along. So overall we made 1064.45 GDP throughout the week. We increased the account 6.4%, which is quite good overall throughout the week. And today we made 27 pounds on one trade, which is also fine. And I think this week was alright. I had some good trading days and some bad trading days. Here we lost a lot. Yeah, the market was acting weird in my opinion. And all the other days I maybe took some profit a bit early sometimes. Yeah, it is what it is. It's hard when you sit and directly in front of your computer and see the numbers going up and down. So that's probably why I took some profits early. I could have let them run, but you can always say that afterwards. Overall, I'm very happy with these results. I hope you enjoyed this series and would subscribe and like. BigT Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.